Welcome back to the internet web. The rotary snowplow train was first invented in 1869 and was used to clear the snow and ice off railways. Now this may seem like a good thing for trains, but it was also beneficial for humans as they didn't have to shovel the snow by hand anymore.
What is going on here?
By watching this video, you now know what Red River hogs look like. In 2003, the state of Boston moved their highway underground, and you can just see the amazing outcome. This intense rally in a volleyball game looked like it was about to end, but this one player had other plans. The rally continued for a while, but the deserving team got the point in the end. Thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe with notifications on to catch my next video.